Loot spawns in Fortnite are designated on a game-to-game basis by RNG, or random number generation. This means that while there are designated places that loot can spawn, whether or not a specific chest will show up in your game is decided by chance. Keep in mind that weapons will always spawn with a stack of compatible ammo next to it. If you see a weapon without ammo nearby, it means someone has been there, so watch your back. Let's go over the different types of loot spawns in Fortnite. Floor spawns are places on the map in which loot will spawn directly on the ground. Chests are wooden boxes redeemed by holding your use button briefly. Every chest will drop one weapon and either an auxiliary item, miscellaneous, or healing item as described in the previous section. Be careful not to break the ground or object under a chest, as that will cause it to despawn without dropping loot. Supply drops are big chests dropped out of the sky. You will hear a directional sound cue when one spawns in your area, and you will see it slowly dropping from the sky. The landing site is shown by a pile of smoke on the ground or on top of an object. Supply drops give you one legendary weapon with 2 stacks of ammo and a random assortment of consumables, materials, auxiliary items, and traps. Keep in mind that supply drops can be heard and seen from great distances by not just you, but enemy players as well. Llamas are few and far in between, but are always a joy to find. These purple buddies don't drop weapons, but they will drop a stack of every material, as well as an assortment of consumables, auxiliary items, and traps. Llamas will drop their loot regardless of how they're destroyed, so it's better to hit them with your pickaxe to not have to stand still while opening them. There are vending machines that have a chance of spawning at designated areas throughout the map. These will offer you a trade of one item for every material type. The cost of the item will be dictated by the rarity of the vending machine, shown by the color on the face of the machine. There are also green ammo crates that will give you a couple of stacks of random ammo. Item rarity is denoted by either its color when it's on the ground or the color of the background in your loadout. The rarity from worst to best is as follows. Gray is common, green is uncommon, blue is rare, purple is epic, and gold is legendary. The rarity corresponds directly to the percentage chance the item will drop at any given instance. Every weapon in Fortnite comes in at least 2 types of rarity. The rarity of the weapon types affect properties such as damage per shot and reload time. However, the difference between rarities of weapons are vastly overhyped, as the amount of shots needed to take down an enemy player will generally stay the same between weapon rarities. So if a weapon upgrade is uncontested, then by all means take it. But you are much better suited keeping a purple bolt over giving up good positioning and running through several players to pick up a gold bolt, as the difference is only about 6 damage per shot and 1/10 of a second in reload time.